Hello everyone, welcome to ToolTek.md. In today's video I'm going to be upgrading the strings on the RA RA-090 acoustic guitar. I'll be upgrading from the stock strings to a set of Martin MA-140s. I'm going to go ahead and play you a chord sequence with the current stock strings, and then after we've upgraded the strings I will play the same chord sequence with the new Martin MA-140s on the RA RA-090. Let's see how it sounds with stock. Let me go ahead and play. Okay, so again, that was the Rogue RA-090 with all stock strings. Let's go ahead and get these things swapped out. Alrighty, I got the strings changed out. I'm going to go ahead and play the same chord progression I played earlier. You tell me if you hear a difference. Alright, that was the Martin MA-140s on the Rogue RA-090 acoustic guitar. For under $80, I paid $74 for this guitar, and I paid $5 for that set of strings. For under $80, you are getting a guitar that sounds damn near as good as a lot of the professional guitars you could buy on the market. You cannot go wrong with this guitar. I cannot stress this enough. So with this demonstration, I hope that you guys are comfortable buying this guitar and have zero doubts about the quality of it. I've been playing this thing hard for the better part of a year now, and it's held up, and it's held up well. Like I said, I just replaced the stock strings. I played on those stock strings for the better part of a year. Truly an incredible guitar for the price. You are not beating it. I hope that you guys found this video to be helpful. I will link the Rogue RA-090 down in the description, along with all the options you can get it in. It comes in standard acoustic models, comes in cutaway acoustic models, which is what this one is. This one also has a pickup on the side, so you can plug it into an amp. So they do come in electric acoustic variants. Strings I used, once again, were the Martin MA-140s. Like I said, hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, please feel free to comment, like, and please subscribe to the channel. Help me out. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.